Hey guys, what's up? I'm Mark and welcome to Epic Confections. Y'all know who this is. It's James. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. So today we wanted to shoot a different kind of video. We decided to buy a whole bunch of Amazon return packages. Mystery return bags from Amazon. Do you think there's like a bar of gold in there? Definitely.
Probably.
Or like an umbrella. That's it. Okay, we are going to, we're just going to unbox these for you and let's have some fun. All right, pick one. Which one do you want to start with? Okay. So these were $10 bags each.
Oh, I think I might.
We don't know what's inside of them. We got them from a store called Extreme Dollar Store in Barrie, Ontario.
Do you want to play a game?
What kind of game?
Well, we guess what it is by like holding it and feeling it first.
Okay, go. What do you think it is?
I think it's one of those like kids like paint things where it has like the markers and things. There's a handle right here.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, I think you're right.
Well, that was my guess.
No, I agree with you. Open her up.
It's something for children. Battleship Shot.
Oh, it's Battleship Shot!
It's a game. That looks fun.
For kids, but the adult version would be to take a couple shots. Yes!
That's really cool.
That is cool.
Bounce, sink, and win.
Hold up to the camera. That's really cool.
Cool.
I like that. Alright. I'm gonna open up this baby one. I don't know what it could be. It's just like, it's a box. It's probably like a pair of like panties.
Well, it's hard. There's gotta be some sort of...
It could be an adult toy.
Maybe it's like makeup or something.
Oh, maybe it's like some Jeffree Star makeup or Trixie Mattel.
Probably not. Pull this thing.
I want to open it like this. Yeah.
Oh my god, it's open now, isn't it?
Oh, I got it.
Can't even open it.
I got it. Burt's Bees!
Love that.
Oh my god, no way!
Put some of my Burt's Bees on.
That's awesome! Look at that!
So it's what?
So it's like a whole kit. You get your hand salve, you got your lip balm, you get some coconut foot cream in
You
there.
need some coconut cream.
A whole bunch of stuff. I love that. Okay, James, next one.
The last one that I picked, I think it's this one. No, it wasn't this one. I think we got two of the same thing.
Maybe.
Was this the last thing that I picked?
I think so, yeah, the big one.
It's this one.
Well, what do you think it is, remember? A pot. It's something metal.
I feel like it's gonna be like a kettle. A kitchen kettle.
Ooh, that'd be cute.
What do you want to do? I'm opening it though.
No, it's definitely something metal. You can hear that.
Boom, 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 boom.
I don't know what it could be. I really don't. Okay, open it. I'm excited. A couple of gays, just open up some presents.
Heated stainless steel something. It has like Asian characters on it. What is it?
Heated stainless
Is
steel.
it bowls? Wisdom? Insulated.
What is it, like a little lunch box?
Even like the box is a mystery box. Is it like a insulated so you can keep your warm food warm? I'm so confused. What is this?
There's like a double layer on it. Okay, leave a comment in the comment section.
Here's a small bowl.
Tell me what the hell this is.
I think you have to put like hot water in here.
Yeah, I feel like it's like a travel thing. So like you put your water in there, keeps it hot, and there's like your soup. Right?
And then something else warm up top.
Yeah, that's really cool.
It's kind of cute.
That's very cool. Let me see that.
So you like put hot water inside there?
Yeah. Huh. You can buy it from us for $89.99. Alright, I'm gonna go. No, I'm going for this big one. I'm going for this big one. It's literally in a box. You're not supposed to shake shit because it could break. What do you think it is?
Oh, we got a bunch of bags from Uline. Feels like? I don't know. Kitchen related.
Kitchen. I hope it's kitchen related.
Hold this. Hold that. The dotted perforated thing. Right off the end.
It's a box. Alright, it's just a box.
Use that. Kitchen stuff, I told you!
So, a set of tongs for corn, which is really cool.
We love our corn.
See that there? We have
This is flamingo on it.
a flamingo. What is that? Is it an apron? No.
Open it up.
It's it's just like a flamingo, like lunch bag. An insulated flamingo lunch bag that's super gay. I love it. I could totally bring that to work.
I could totally put your name on it if you want.
I love it. And what's that?
Ooh, we definitely need that.
A knife sharpener for when James gets a little out of line. I love that.
Yeah, because you cook all the time.
I bake.
Can you do like the from the top?
All right, next one.
This one. Can't shake it. There's nothing.
This is a bottle. Oh wait, no.
That's just the thing to hang it.
I know.
So it's something that would go in a department store.
Oh, they could all go in a department store.
No, but it has those tabbies where you can like put it on the hangy bits.
I'm gonna say it is also kitchen related.
Jumbo corner guards. For what? For children. So kids don't hit their heads.
What?
It's just corner guards
Oh
for kids.
yeah.
For sharp.
Protect your child from sharp corners. Next.
That was the only disappointing one.
In a box.
They're the same thing, do you think?
I feel like they're probably the same thing.
Shall we open them both at the same time?
No. Okay, no. I'll go first.
Headphones.
It's wireless headphones! I mean, I've never heard of the brand Thor before, but... I mean, have y'all ever heard of Thor? Leave a comment below.
MPOW Technology Incorporated.
MPOW. I actually want to open these up.
Looks like they fold up.
I won't say no to fucking electronics that... for $10.
I would have put them in. Baggy.
Oh, a nice little silk baggie.
Not silk.
Oh, they're cute.
They're pretty like decent though.
Yeah, not bad. Huh, they fold up. Throw them in your little bag.
Bluetooth headset little thing.
Ooh.
Nothing's miss.
Not bad. Throw it in there.
Thor.
Now let's see.
Thank you.
Let's see if that one is also.
Same size. We didn't realize. It's the same thing.
Is it the same thing? Ah! But maybe it's a different color.
It's black. Did you want to auction it off? Did you want to?
Yeah, we could do a giveaway. I mean, I can't guarantee that they'll work, but we can totally do a giveaway. How do you want to do it?
Maybe ask them a question that people would know about you. Like a hard question though.
Yeah, but then like, well, we all know Jessica Mendoza's gonna get that cracked, so. Love you. No, we can't ask that. We can't ask questions. How about I don't know.
Once you figure it out, you put it in the comments or in the section below.
Yeah, wait till the end of the video. But this one's heavy. She's in a box, obviously.
She's in a box.
I don't know, feel it. I'm gonna say it's some kind of like outdoor.
It's in the original box.
Yeah.
Oh, and there's like a hole here. I think it might be a kid's toy.
Really?
Only kids' toys have holes in the boxes.
No. Alright, I'm opening it up.
It's a kid's toy of some sort.
I'm gonna say it's something outdoorsy. I just bought James one of these last Christmas. It's an iron! A Black & Decker iron. That's really cool. I know some of
You heard what he said, right?
I know some of y'all out there are going, it's a fucking iron. Let's not get excited. But, I mean, for $10, that's pretty cool.
But you heard what he said before. He got me an iron for Christmas.
He loves ironing. I don't know why.
Because I iron my shirts for work?
Yeah, but he doesn't have to. That's what a dryer is for. Stick it in the dryer and it's done. You don't need, like, nice creases and shit. Alright, so, for the giveaway, for these Thor wireless headset, all you have to do is leave a comment below saying, I want the headphones, and James and I will randomly select a comment, and we'll get in touch with you, and I'll let you know when you won, or if you won. So again, leave a comment below saying, I want the headphones.
I'm assuming he wants them in caps too, because...
However you want, that's fine. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's something a little different other than cake decorating. So just to recap, we did spend $90 on 9 separate $10 bags.
But the one had like 3 things in it.
Yeah, and I think we did pretty good. I would say that's probably over $100 for sure, 150 bucks.
We ironed at least like,
yeah,
maybe 30 bucks.
That's what I mean. I think we did pretty good. So all this stuff will be for sale. No. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you all in the next one. Mwah!